Imagine walking into a store and a computer can instantly recognize what's in your shopping cart, bananas, chips, or even your favorite drink. Cool, right? That's the magic of object detection, and today I will make it super simple for you. Okay? Object detection is a way for computers to see and recognize things in the real world just like we do. Think of it as giving eyes to a computer. For example, if you show it a picture of a dog, it not only says, "Hi, there is a dog," but also points to exactly where the dog is in the picture. How does it work? Well, it's powered by something called artificial intelligence or AI. The computer is trained using thousands of pictures of objects like cars, trees, or cats. Over time, it learns to recognize these objects no matter the angle, size, or background. This tech is used everywhere, in self-driving cars to detect other vehicles, in security cameras to spot intruders, and even in your phone to tag your friends in photos. Okay, and here is the exciting part. Object detection is shaping our future, making our lives smarter and safer. Who knows, maybe you will create the next big thing with it. Okay? Want to learn more about AI magic? Hit subscribe and join the Tech AI Explain for more tech lessons. Thank you so much for watching us. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.